How to send email to customers on Shopify. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from Geek, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can go ahead and send an email to customers on Shopify. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, as an order is placed by a customer, his information including his name or address will be updated automatically in the customer list. And there are lots of things that you might have to do to manage your customers and build relationships with them. For instance, you might want to set up a customer group that need to be treated differently because of their loyalty to your store, or you can send emails or discounts to some targeted customers. And this video is going to be about how to email customers on Shopify on your desktop or iPhone or Android. It works in any of the versions. So first, in order to send email, you need to select the option called customers at your Shopify admin page. So on the left hand side, you'll see your Shopify admin page. So just select the option called customers. Once you go to the option called customers, choose the name of the customer that you want to send him an email. So just go ahead and check it, as you can see from the bottom. You can also select multiple people over here. And after that, next you can choose the email address of the customer from the contact section. So you can also choose the email address of each of these customers from the contact section if you want to. You can edit and update the subject line for this email. If not, you can leave it by default, such as shop.name, which presents the name of your shop store in emails. Now, from the custom message for this customer section, you can enter your message to the customer. In case you want to have a copy of the message you sent to customer, choose another email you want to receive it from the send BBC to box. Now, take note that the email you see on the right is linked to account's email you are logging in. Meanwhile, the email on the left is linked to the Shopify account. So you have to keep that in mind. After that, to finish it, you can go to the option called review email from the bottom of the screen. After reviewing your email, just click on the send notification if you think this is good enough to send. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then email customers on Shopify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.